Temporada yung mga parody. Sili ako Almario. Sakbay nga arami ng DJ Paset ko kapsat. Indawat ni ako Dr. Ariel Agkawili nga may basa ng statement. The International Committee for the Protection of the Ilocano Language and NACEM Conferences International. Released at the press conference October 28, 2018, Lawag City. We, the stakeholders of the Ilocano language from the various diasporic communities, hereby offer this statement as our official position on the most recent onslaught of the Commission on the Filipino Language through its chair, Virgilio Almario, and its Ilocano Commissioner, Purificacion de Lima, of the integrity of the Ilocano language by their mindless and authoritarian imposition of their own brand of ortografiyang Ilocano that is patterned after its imposed ortografiyang pambansa. In various fora and as individual cultural workers, academics, and heritage and language advocates, we have opposed this ortografiyang pambansa as the pattern for what the Commission is imposing as the new Ilocano orthography for the following reasons. A. It is not scientific and educational sound. B. It is not respectful of the diachronic form of the language. And C. It was not a result of proper consultation among all the stakeholders. We have a variety of already productive orthographies to wit: academic orthographies from the University of Hawaii Ilocano Program, the Mariano Marcos State University Graduate School Program in Ilocano Studies, the popular forms as seen from the number of magazines and newspapers, and the religious corpus as seen from the various faith communities in the Philippines and abroad. All these productive forms that are existing have been respectful of the history of the Ilocano language and are deemed not destroying each other but perfecting each other. This is not the case with the imposed orthografiyang Ilocano. On this note, we do not need an orthography that is not respectful of what we have got at the moment, that is not respectful of the history of the language, and that is antithetical to the aim of deploying the current orthographies to make full use of the language in the various domains of our life as Ilocanos, whether in the Philippines or in the diaspora, and be educating our young people in that act of emancipatory knowledge that demands skills in naming our world and experiences. This insistent act of the disrespect and incompetence of the Commission is a case of betrayal of the mandate given to that Commission, and the same mandate given to the Ilocano Commissioner Purificacion de Lima. We therefore demand that the Ilocano Commissioner resign from her post. She does not have the expertise to represent the Ilocano people and their language. Aurelio Sactamili, Debralin A. Andres, and Dean Domingo Codololo. Signed this 27th day of October. At ang lupa ibasa ni Apo Leo, datay parang kapsat. Kaya dati parte, di pagbatayan, ti Ilocano, iti